You cut his balls off.
True answer.
I can't back up that fast. I'm gonna end up backing up into somebody. Look at you all knocking stuff off.
Look, here we go.
Put your hat on too, Carla.
Oh, that ain't cool. That's not even. That's no.
She just like goes up and hits me. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, you got enough padding back there.
Time out. Oh, I got one.
I feel like a Jedi now.
Oh. You're gonna get us kicked out of the store. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, no feet. No feet.
These are my friends. What the hell am I gonna do with them? I don't know.
We're sober though.
Wait.
You're gonna end up getting us kicked out.
Oh.
Hands. War with a